Alright, I'm going to do this one with a Venn diagram. Looks kind of like that. Alright, the big key with the Venn diagram is you look for the question first to help you label where everything's going to go in here. Alright, so I'll show you. So the question, blah, 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 blah. Question is, what is the probability that a student at LEHS does their e-learning assignments? So here would be does e-learning or asks his teacher for help. Those are the things we're looking for, right? This right here would be both does and asks, right? And then who would be not in this group? Well, they'd have to not do the e-learning. And they have to not ask for help. Right? And now that's the 4 categories that we could have. So 2/3 of students at Lugoff Belgian High School complete their e-learning assignments. So this circle right here has 2/3, right? But hold on, because I don't know how it splits up in here yet. I know that this and this add up to 1/3, but still not sure. 5 out of 12 students ask their teachers for help with their assignments. This entire circle is 5 out of 12. Alright, but I don't know about the other stuff still. However, 1 out of 4 students asked their teacher for help. I've erased a lot of things on accident, yet failed to complete any e-learning assignments. So 1 out of 4 ask for help, but don't do their assignment. So 1 out of 4. Common denominator, since I'm going to deal with all these fractions, 1 out of 4 is the same thing as 3 out of 12. Now, if this whole ellipse here goes up to 5 out of 12 and 3 out of 12 are here, that means 2 out of 12 are right there. I'm going to leave my unreduced fractions just to make this easier for right now. 2/3 is the same thing as 8 out of 12. If 8 out of 12 is the whole circle, 2 out of 12 is there, that leaves 6 out of 12 here. Right? And the whole sheet has to add up to 1. So 6 out of 12, 2 out of 12, that's 8 out of 12. Another 3, that's 11 out of 12. That means this guy right here is the other 1 out of 12. Now, if it's an OR problem, I just take my 3. Since I asked the question first, I dealt with the question set up for that first. I take these 3, 6 out of 12, and 2 more is 8 out of 12. 3 more is 11 out of 12. That becomes my answer.